everybody, welcome back to Plan All the Things. Today we're going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for the week of September 28th through October 4th. So yeah, we're coming into the first week in October. We are really now knee-deep into fall, starting to think about pumpkin spice and all things nice. So what I'm going to go ahead and start doing here is laying down my washi tape. Now I'm going to put down my big box sticker I like in the lower right hand corner. Cute little fall scene of a woman walking her dogs in the park. Now here what I'm doing is I had some big Happy Planner stickers that I wanted to cut down to fit in my classic planner. So I just used my punch to cut them down. These are kind of a gold leaf, if you will, pattern, which I thought would, go right with the motif and add a little bit of bling with the gold accent. That quote sticker says, "I love fall most of all." Now what I'm doing is going to add some accent decorative pieces. You're going to find, if you haven't watched some of my content already, I do love using stickers. So if I can use up a sticker page, it's a good day. So I'm just adding pumpkins, leaves, other decorative items. I liked how these pumpkins were transparent, so a little bit of the background could show through. But I do need function, right? So I'm adding some checklists in the gold color to go with the theme. They're on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm going to also add one for Friday. Typically, I just add one task item per weekend. Covering up the top there with a circle sticker, adding some decorative elements. Again, trying to stay all within the color theme of, browns, yellows, reds. Sometimes I find that when I don't have, a bullet list or a checklist, I need to make up my own. So I found these gold check marks, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making my own little task area. Now I'm looking through some of my Snoopy fall stickers. And then these are some, I believe, bloom stickers. I wanted to bring more red in. I noticed I had red in the leaves, so I wanted to bring some red accents. Gotta have a football, right? It's football time. I even find myself putting on college ball on the weekends when I'm doing chores. It's fun to see all the fans in the stands and that school spirit, even though I'm not really a huge football person. And I forgot that I didn't put my weekend sticker. Gotta have my weekend sticker. Found a really nice gold script that I think fits well. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add some more decorative accent pieces. This is a circle quote sticker, gold, make it happen. Adding an ampersand. Just need a little something over there. And there you have it. I think that's going to do it for this layout. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to be notified of more content I post. And until the next video, keep planning, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.